Hello guys, today I'm going to show you what is inside a Pop Station game cartridge. Now a lot of people have the misconception that these cartridges are actually, they actually have games inside of them, where in reality all of the games are stored inside of the Pop Station itself. I'm using the wool for today because that's the one that I have on hand currently. So all we've got in here is all just extra bits. This is the actual guts of the console. This is the screen. And on the back here, this white bit is a background, and this should come off. Although it does not seem to want to come off. Consoles are usually fully operable like this. So I put this in. It's trying. Oh, yeah, you can see things show up. Wait, let's reset it again. I added in the right position. Oh, there we go. Very faintly see it trying to run submarine invasion there. So yeah, that's what's inside one of these.